The DJI Pocket 4 is starting to gain interest as leaks and early prototypes suggest a more polished and user-friendly update. Expected near the end of 2025, it seems focused on smoother daily use, improved shooting confidence, and small practical refinements. While nothing is officially confirmed yet, it's already drawing attention from creators who are curious to see how DJI evolves its compact camera lineup. So let's get started. After digging through multiple credible leaks, insider tweets, and historical product update patterns, the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 is expected to be announced between December 18th or December 23rd, 2025. This date was first hinted at on November 10th, 2025, from TechLeak source at Hackasushi. When we compare that with the previous release cycle, the Pocket 3 launched on October 24th, 2023, which means a roughly 26-month upgrade cycle, leading perfectly into December 2025. If DJI fails to clear security audits requested by US agencies, the company risks potential FCC blacklist status. Since 40% of DJI's global revenue comes from the US market, delaying the launch beyond this deadline could be a major commercial and marketing disaster. So, launching before December 23rd is not just ideal, it's crucial. Now, let's shift into the specs. The Pocket 4 appears to feature a sleeker and slightly taller body, approximately 140 to 150 millimeters in height. The exterior build uses a matte finish black design with improved grip texture for better handheld stability. The 3-axis gimbal remains intact, and the checkered pattern on areas of the body seems intentionally applied to hide final design details. A standard-sized tripod mount is still expected at the bottom, along with potential side accessory ports, perfect for microphones or compact LED lighting. One major highlight is the dual lens or large glass camera module, which creates confusion but also excitement, since previous prototypes showcased dual camera concepts, possibly for optical zoom or hybrid focal length switching. Early performance hints suggest support for 6K video, 4K, 240 frames slow motion, 10-bit color, and improved night mode image quality, potentially rivaling DJI drone sensors. We may also see dual OLED displays, although the rear view is still partially hidden under a camouflage cover. Controls are not visible yet, but earlier leaks showed compact integrated buttons near the screen area, hinting at a cleaner, more modern control layout. The Pocket 4's screen and control layout seem to be evolving with a more creator-focused approach. Early prototypes suggest the possibility of a dual display setup, with a secondary rear screen intentionally hidden under camouflage, while the familiar rotating touchscreen remains visible on the front for easy vlogging and framing. Although the final button and port layout is still unrevealed, earlier leaks hint at compact integrated controls positioned closer to the display, supported by faster touch response and smoother, more fluid interface animations. The extended and slightly taller body design strongly hints at an upgraded power and performance system inside the Pocket 4. A larger battery is expected to enhance continuous shooting time, especially during high-resolution recording sessions. Internally, a new image processing engine is rumored to manage heat more efficiently while handling demanding formats such as 6K and high frame rate 4K slow motion faster data. Through a newer USB-C standard and a redesigned thermal layout, could ensure stable performance even during long outdoor or low light shoots. So what about pricing? Current estimates place the Pocket 4 somewhere between $699 to $799 for the standard model, with the potential Pro or Zoom variant landing around $899 in early 2026. Meanwhile, the Pocket 3 is dropping to around $529, making it a strong deal for those who don't want to wait. The DJI Pocket 4 seems to be shaping up, with steady refinements, such as a slightly improved body design, better handling, and expected performance enhancements like 6K video support. These changes appear to be focused on usability and creator convenience, rather than a dramatic overhaul. With an estimated $699 to $799 price range, it may attract those who prefer updated features, while the Pocket 3 still offers solid value. So that's the full leak and breakdown for the upcoming DJI Pocket 4. If the leaks hold true, we are only weeks away from one of the most exciting handheld camera launches yet. Let me know in the comments, are you upgrading or sticking with the Pocket 3? Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.